Guys, I'm back again on this channel and you are watching Disha Shah. Hope you guys remember me. I'm asking you this because I feel that I've taken some gap in terms of making videos for this channel. Like I have not put out any new video after I guess my vaccination video. After that I have actually not made any vlogs or any other video on this channel. So it was not an intended gap, I would say, but because of my office work and other things going around, I could clearly not get free at the time when I wanted to sit down and shoot things. So I decided to kind of take it slow and shoot when it's convenient for me a bit, because currently like there are a lot of things on my plate and at times it becomes difficult to accommodate everything in a day. So I hope you guys understand, but I will try my best to still make videos for you guys and keep this channel active and live, because this channel is of course my passion and my dream and I'm not going to let it go so easily. So coming back to this video, now this video is not exactly going to be on some topic or something. It's just kind of a Sunday right now and I'm home alone and my husband is out somewhere busy in his work. So I thought that this is the best time for me to do something which I like, and so I was like, why not vlog, So in this video I will just get ready, because I have not got ready, like done my makeup and stuff since many days, and I'm kind of now missing that thing where I do my makeup and I shoot and I come in front of you in the camera. I miss all that. So I was like, today I'll do that, but this also, it's not a purely makeup tutorial or a chatty session video like get ready with me while I chat with you guys. It's not purely that. Of course I'll do my makeup with you guys and also chat, but apart from that I'll also keep it as a general vlog kind of a video, because let's see what we do on a Sunday after we finish this. So currently I decided on shooting one reels. I mean, I just came across one of the reels, a dance reel, where you guys, if you know me, I really love dancing. So I look out for the reels where I can catch up on new steps and dance, and that's fun for me. So I just got my eye on one of the reels which is trending these days and I want to shoot for it. So I thought might as well I also do a vlog kind of a thing where I show you guys how I kind of get ready for this reels, and then the way I shoot my reels. And maybe not exactly, I cannot show you exactly how I shoot my reels because I just have one phone and I just record all my videos on this, and my husband is out, so I cannot use his phone as well. So maybe if he comes early and if I can shoot that, maybe I'll show you all. But for now, considering that I'll be alone in the house for a long time, I don't see that coming. But yes, let's be positive on this, that I can show you. So for this reels I just want to keep my look as there's some kind of makeup on my face, because and then I want to like just have a dance kind of a reel. So let's start. I think I spoke a lot. This is the longest introduction, and before bugging you guys anymore, let's go and get started. Let's go for the step 1. So before starting my makeup, let me inform you guys that I have washed my face and it's all clean and there's nothing else sitting on my face right now. So if you guys want, you can use a sunscreen, but in this in this session I'm not going to use a sunscreen because I don't think I'm stepping out anywhere right now. So maybe I'm not going to use the sunscreen, so I'll just start with my moisturizer. Let's start with the moisturizer first. Okay, let me show you what I'm using. This is Pond's Super Light Gel Oil-Free Moisturizer for non-sticky and glowing skin, and this one has hyaluronic acid plus vitamin E. I know these days there's a lot of trend for hyaluronic acid. It's so difficult to pronounce as well, but yes, it's good for your skin. It keeps your face well hydrated, it captures the moisture and it keeps it to your skin. So it's very good for people who have dry skin, and I have combination skin, so I don't think I always need that kind of a moisture. But yes, all skin types do require some amount of moisture, so yes, I'm going to use it. And Pond's has come out with this new gel based moisturizer, and since the time it came out, I think I had my eye on this because I like the creams which are gel based, which has gel formula. I love it, so I always wanted to try this out. So I think 2 weeks before or 3 weeks before I bought it, and I have used it couple of times, and I am very, very happy with it. Especially its smell and color. It looks divine, it smells divine, it feels divine, So I'll just take this. It's so good, and what I do is, just to get added fun, you can always refrigerate your creams and your gels. So at the time when you apply, especially when it's getting hot, that time you're just going to enjoy that feel. You'll feel like a spa. So I'm just putting this cold gel. I had refrigerated it, so I use it and I put it back again in my refrigerator. Do not freeze it, put it in your refrigerator. And then I am going to just, with my hands, I'm just going to spread it all across and also cover your neck area and the area around your eyes, because they also need moisturizer. Once I'm done with that, now I will massage my skin for around few seconds. So for that, I'm going to use this facial roller. I guess these days everybody is acquainted to this. Thanks to the social media, everyone knows what this does. So you can use anything. You can use a gua sha, you can use this roller, facial roller, or you can use a jade roller, whatever you have. And in case if you do not have anything, you can use a spoon, a cold spoon, or you can use your hands. Anything works fine. It's all about what you are comfortable with. There's no need to blindly follow all the trends that are going on the social media. There's no need of hopping on each and every train that you see leaving on the social media platform, because clearly all trains might not be for every individual. So find out what's for you and then only hop on to that train or trend. So I personally like using these because I get a good massage, I feel. So I'm going to use this. Now this as well, I mean the material for this is kind of, I don't know what it is, but it's kind of a steel, or I don't know what kind of material this is, but it can be refrigerated. So what I do is I refrigerate this as well, and this also then becomes kind of cold, so I massage it with that. So it's a very heavenly feeling. I don't know what benefits it might do or for what. I mean, it just feels good, I would say. I would not talk about much regarding its benefits and stuff, because that is kind of still debatable and questionable based on the articles I keep reading. But so let's leave that. But yeah, you will definitely enjoy the entire experience. Okay, so I'll start massaging. Always massage upwards. So I like to prep my skin. So whenever I do makeup, I think 70 to 80% I concentrate on prepping my skin and using skincare products rather than makeup, because clearly I'm more of a skincare person rather than a makeup person. I do not like putting makeup on my day-to-day basis every day. I only put makeup, like so much of proper official makeup, when I shoot for the videos. Otherwise, when I go out, I don't even bother putting makeup. I just apply a cream and I just put on a lipstick and an eyeliner or something, and that's it. I do not go around with all the steps, and unless I'm going for clubbing or something, then that's a different thing. If I'm going on a date with my husband, or if I'm going out with our friend circle for clubbing sort of thing or partying sort of thing where I need to get dressed. But then also, like, I will not do like so much of official makeup, like, you know, primer and this and foundation, and no. I'm not that kind. I feel it's not required all the time. Yeah, whenever you feel it, it's subjective. If you feel on a particular day that you want to wear makeup, that's fine. There's nothing wrong in that. Unless you take proper care of your skin in terms of your skincare. If your skincare game is strong enough, then it's okay to wear makeup, feel good, look good. At the end of the day, do something that you enjoy. So if you're a makeup girl, go for it. It's all up to you. I also do that. Like, mostly I would say I'm not a makeup kind of a person, but at times when I feel like getting ready, looking dressy, I do it. Especially for my videos and all, I like doing makeup because I have that kind of free time. I feel when I have to go out, I feel a little stressed at that time to do so many things and get ready on time, so I skip and I just do the basics. This is so therapeutic. This is very good, you know. It relieves all your headache, whatever you have. It releases all the stress that you have that's built up on your face. Your face is looking tired. At least it works for me. So I like doing it. I do not get time to do it every day, although I want to follow it as a ritual every day to do this for a few minutes, but clearly not getting any time. I know it sounds an excuse, but it is what it is. So I utilize all the weekends and everything to, you know, kind of regenerate myself, my skin, my body, my mind, my soul, and get ready for the next week of work. Currently, I have shitloads of work at my workplace because my project is going busy and I just have to sit like more and more number of hours each day to complete my work. And I feel that this scene is going to go around for 2 months at the minimum, because till the project gets to a stable state. So I can see this for the next 2 months for sure at the minimum. But yes, you can work during the weeks, party during the weekends, and balance it out. Balance it out so that you're again ready for the next week. Because what else can you do? Work is important, fun is important, life is important, so everything needs to be balanced in some or the other way. So I guess, as you guys can see, my skin is looking so dewy, so prepped. Sorry, I forgot my neck. I don't know, I always forget to do things on my neck, although I've been advised many a times to do this, I always forget. All your massages have to be like on like to upwards, you know. This increases the blood circulation and also kind of pushes away all the lymphatic fluids that you have to a particular nodes. There are 2 lymphatic nodes behind your ears. Is what I have heard when I watch all these gua sha videos and face massage videos. So yes, that's my limited amount of knowledge that I have on these facial rollers. So I think wow, yeah, so I guess I'm done and with my massage. Now the next step would be using a primer. So I'm going to use this a new one. Now I had seen this, I had my eye on this like since many months, and this is luxury primer oil from Kiss Beauty. Yes, this is from Kiss Beauty. First of all, let's give a thumbs up for the kind of packing it has. This is like 24 karat gold, this primer claims to have. and it is oil free, and this is a 40 ml packing. I have not used this, so I'm going to unbox it today itself and try it out in front of you guys. So it comes into a glass packing like this. It's a glass bottle. I love brands who give out glass bottles, although like you have to be alert while using them that you don't drop it off, otherwise it breaks. But the kind of feel it gives, you know, when it sits in your vanity, it gives you a kind of luxury feel. What's wrong with me today? Okay, it gives you a very luxury feel, and since this is like their gold 24 karat gold variant, I guess they decided on this glass packing to give exactly that luxury feel. So yes, I love this. Total thumbs up for its packing. Then let me just like show you the formulation for it. This is the formulation. Let me just come close and focus. This is also kind of a gel based, and this is the formulation. Let me just apply this primer. Fragrance wise, it is good, not too loud and not subtle as well, appropriate I would say. So let me just take some more because I like dipping myself in primers and oils and facial creams. Nice. Okay, so in terms of formulation, I would say I really feel it's a very good formulation because it's a gel based. First of all, as I told you, I like gel based products, and this gel is not like very thin also, you know, which it's not very runny kind of a gel. It's a proper good thick gel kind of a formulation, so it kind of makes you feel that you have done something on your skin, you know. This Pond's one is a bit thin as compared to this one because obviously this is a primer and this is a moisturizer. This is lightweight moisturizer, so compared to this is like a light thin film of gel, and this is proper rich thick film of gel which you will feel. And look wise also, like again I would like to tell you, it's such a good packing, and formulation also I completely liked it. So a big thumbs up for this product. If you guys want it, then let me tell you, like I have this product in my D store, so in case you guys want to try this Kiss Beauty primer, which is like luxury primer luxury primer with 24 karat gold, then do ping me. I'll let you know the price and I'll make things easier for you to get it at your place, at your doorstep. So do let me know. We have this in the D store. Those of y'all who don't know what is D store, it's my Instagram store that I run, and its Instagram handle is DS9. This is D store 9010. You can ping me over there, or else you can ping me on my official Instagram handle, my personal one, which is DS90 official, to buy any of the products which you like from the D store. Coming back to this video, now we are done with the step of our primer. I've just like switched off all the yellow lights and this is just like the sunlight. So yeah, this is the kind of look that you will get in the natural sunlight. So I think it's quite wearable, breathable, and you can carry out this look even in your normal lives. You know, it won't look too much on your face because it's kind of nice and natural. And when I say natural, trust me, it is. Otherwise I don't get impressed by these makeup looks, you know, which look that cakey on face. So yes, if given a chance and if I have to wear makeup in my normal life, then this kind of look I will prefer rather than going over the board, except for I said few occasions where I need to get dressy. So yeah, this is the kind of look, my final look. So now let me go and shoot my reels, because my husband has clearly not arrived, so I cannot show you guys, but definitely you can see my reels on my Instagram profile, which is DS90official. So just keep watching at the stories over there and my new updates and my posts and reels, because I'm soon going to post this reel over there if I happen to shoot it correctly. So yeah, you can stay glued to my profile. So yeah, let me go back and let me go and shoot the reels and come back, and then I'll catch up with you guys. Also guys, do drink water. Like, I just realized I have not drank water since couple of hours, I think like 4 to 5 hours, which is not good. Clearly you should drink water. And my husband has gifted me this huge jumbo bottle to remind myself that I need to drink water, and he has made a rule of me finishing the entire bottle in the day, because that's the bare minimum that you should take. So I have not even started for the day and it's almost like 4:30. So I think I need to drink my water and then I'll go and shoot my reels. So till then, you guys enjoy your Sunday, and maybe I'll come back again very soon. This vlog is kind of getting very long but that's how vlogs are. Do comment me if you guys think that, you know, my vlogs are too long. Do let me know. But what I feel is like vlogs never have a kind of, you know, time period or frame period set, because to each his own. Like, people, how they can shoot in the vlogs have that kind of freedom. You can shoot as much as you want, right? So not necessarily maybe you can watch the entire vlog if it's like of a 1 hour or 1.5 hour vlog. Not necessarily you have to sit and watch it at the very same time. You can just watch it in bits and parts and chunks. So it's up to you. And if you want to watch it at that point of time itself, then also you're free, right? So because I do that, if for the influencers which I like, even if their vlogs are like 2 hours, then the same day I'll watch little and I'll finish it off in the entire day. So it's to you. I leave it up to you. But yes, I'll like shoot my vlogs like for how much ever I want, so that I can give out the most of my bit in my vlogs. So let me go and shoot. Bye bye. The update is I have finished shooting my reels. So by the time you see this vlog, you might have already seen my reels, because I have released it already on my stories. So I made 2 reels. One is a dance reel and one is just like the makeup look that I have based on that. So enjoy those 2 reels. I think by this time you see this video, you might have already enjoyed. So yes, I'm done with that. That's the update. And my husband has also come back from his work, so now he's also home. He is just freshening up, and then I don't know how this day will go. Let's see. No plans as of now. But yeah, done with the shooting for today. Hi, hubby.
What's up, buddy?
He's back.
Hello.
He's back. Where were you?
Vaccination drive.
For Dadi.
Yes.
Okay, done. Dadi is
Yes,
also
Dadi
vaccinated.
at the age of 90 years. Wow. Get yours soon.
Yes. So, give us the update. What's our day ahead?
What's our day ahead?
How it looks like.
Unfortunately, in this lockdown situation, nothing is good for you. So, sitting at home, but let's see what we can do.
What are we doing? I'm actually hungry.
I'm actually hungry. Yes, we can eat something.
Yes.
Yes.
So, we'll go and eat something.
Yes.
Maybe I'll show you what I'm eating, but we are thinking as of now what to eat. Let me think. And by the way, I'll show you my new lights. Wait. My new lights, which I was talking about. These are my new ceiling lights. I think you guys have already seen it in my stories. If not, then maybe I'm showing you right now. It's a very cool cycle shaped ceiling light, and it's very useful for me in this room when I sit to shoot. So this entire video which I like filmed, like the makeup and everything, I had kept this on. So along with the sunlight and this light combined, it gives me a very good brightness in this room. I did not vlog. Me and my husband were just like sitting and chatting and, you know, kind of chilling around, so I did not have much to vlog on that. And now we have ordered food from Five Spice. So yes, we'll be waiting for that, and it's almost 7:45, so we'll be waiting to watch the shows. I think I had told this to y'all in one of the videos that Saturday, Sunday from 8 p.m. onwards, all these dance shows and singing shows and, you know, all these kind of shows come in. So we just sit together and watch like a good family time. And so we'll be watching those shows, having good food. So that's the plan. Dinner has arrived from Five Spice, and this is, I guess, crispy vegetables, and this is Mongolian pot rice. Both of them so good, so delicious, and I cannot wait to start my dinner. So let me just go and fill all of this inside my stomach. Super super dancer. Awesome dancers.
What's up? Look at that fat son.
We have like completed our dinner. We are done with the dinner and we are watching the shows. So I don't think there's anything new that can be vlogged.
How was the dinner?
The dinner was very good. I had already taken a snippet of the dinner. I've already shown them. So I overate clearly because it was Chinese and I'm a Chinese lover. So I overate and now I'm just going to lay down like a pig and just watch all the shows like a proper lazy Sunday. I'm going to enjoy this remaining part of the Sunday, whatever is left, because tomorrow onwards it's Monday and then a long week to follow. So, but yeah, I'll just give you a spoiler that next week we are going somewhere. I won't say where, but I'm also going to vlog that. So stay tuned because there'll be a new vlog soon after this because it's going to be a travel vlog. So till then, we will see you guys. A good night. Happy whatever remains of this Sunday, and then I'll see you in my next vlog. Yeah, bye-bye. Bye.